So hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from when we might be doing this from. So welcome back to class. This is the 19th of WorkHour. So what do we want to do today? The one and only thing we want to do in today's class is just for us to learn how to use a function called proper function. What do I mean by proper function? We call that in noun we have types of noun. We have a noun called proper noun, right? In which proper noun is the type of noun that the first letter of proper noun is just like what our name, right? We have proper noun, yes, which was our name. And what happens to our name? That means that we have to what capitalize the first letter exactly of the word, then every other thing is going to be with small letter. So that is the same way proper function works. So you just say equals to proper like this, exactly. Then you click on this, close your bracket, enter. Can see it. So I now have my name in a better way. Exactly. So the assignment that was given on the 18th class, you are going to be the link to the folder is going to be dropped today, exactly. So that you'll be able to practice it exactly. So that means the assignment that was given yesterday, in which the link was not dropped, we are going to be getting it today, then practicalize this. And you can always send to my WhatsApp via my WhatsApp link. Exactly. So thanks for watching. We meet in class tomorrow by God's grace. Good night. Bye.